Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, everyone? Welcome back, grade 4. Okay, today we're gonna start our revision of chapter 10. Okay, Ali Nabil Miseri, can you give me the name of the helper for today?
Yes, Muhammad Hussein.
Muhammad Hussein al-Dajani. Where is Muhammad Hussein al-Dajani? I can't find him. Okay, let me take the attendance at the end of this session. Okay, now, the first lesson of chapter 10 is about lines, rays, and angles. Okay, as we all know, we have point, we have line, and we have line segment, and we have ray, and we have angle. Okay, and we have also the types of angle. We have 4 types of angle. Right angle, it looks like that. We have a square corner. That angle forms a square corner. And acute angle, it will be less than a right angle. And obtuse angle is greater than right angle and less than a straight angle, like that. And the last one is a straight angle forms a line, as you see here. Okay, now let's draw some angles here. Let's draw some figures. So draw and label an example of the figure. So BQ, what is the type of this figure? Who can help me here? Hamad Khalid.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, what is the type of this figure, BQ?
Straight.
It's a straight line?
I mean straight angle.
Okay, I'm asking for the type of this line. Is it line or ray or line segment?
I think it's a line segment.
Yeah, because we have here this small figure up here. It denotes to the line segment, right?
Yes.
So how can we draw a line segment by using the ruler?
By drawing it straight.
Yeah, excellent. So firstly, let's locate the points P, Q.
Secondly, we draw them.
What?
Secondly, we draw them straight.
I can't hear you well. Your voice is not clear.
Secondly, we
Yeah.
do them
So
straight.
let's join them together like that. So we have here PQ line segment. Okay, thank you so much, Hamad. Okay, the next one, Ahmad Ayman. So what do you think about this figure? Is it a straight a line or ray or line segment?
Line.
It's a line, right?
Yes.
Okay, how can we know that it's a line?
Because it have only one.
One arrow, right? One arrow, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
one arrow is a line?
No, it is. No, this is the ray.
Yeah, great. It's a ray. So how can we draw a ray? So first of all, as we all know, you have to label the 2 points first.
Yes.
So it will be K, J. And then how can we draw? How can we start? So start from K or J?
K.
K, because it's a starting point, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, let's adjust my ruler here and start from K and passing through J like that, right?
Yes. Yes. Then
That's okay.
we put the arrow.
Yeah, great. Thank you so much, man. Great job, Ahmed
You're
Ayman.
welcome.
Okay, the next one, I think Muhammad Ali Dijani can help.
Teacher, today we have Kahoot.
No, we don't have Kahoot because tomorrow we have an exam. So you have to revise chapter 10, okay?
So tomorrow is Kahoot, or this week there is no Kahoot.
No, Kahoot, inshallah, will be next week, inshallah, okay? Tuesday next
Uh,
week.
okay, but next week there is uh, the kangaroo competition have done.
Yeah. It's not kangaroo. It will be like as the curriculum, our curriculum. So I will ask you about the curriculum itself, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so
Uh,
can you help me now? We want to
yeah.
draw obtuse angle FGH. How can we draw it?
First, you will put three dots.
How can we put it? Put it like that?
No. Wait. No.
So you can put 3 points as you want. You have to start with some point, some particular point.
Yeah.
So
I
which
can.
point we're gonna start with?
How can I show you? Uh.
Tell
Uh.
me the point
Uh.
we're gonna start with. Let's
uh,
start with F or G or H.
F.
F, why?
Because it's the first letter.
No, I don't think so. I need someone to help here. I think Muhammad al-Baqshi can help.
H.
H, why H?
Because it's the end. Or G. I think I mean G.
Why G?
Because it's the in the middle, and the middle we need to start with it.
Yeah, because in the middle is the vertex. So you have to start with the vertex in the middle, okay? So if you want to draw an angle, so you have to start with the vertex in the middle, okay? So let's start with G. Now let's draw the first ray here. That's the first ray of our angle. And how can we draw the other ray, Muhammad Ali Dijani? How can we draw the other ray? It's obvious, so how can we draw the other ray here?
The line will be
Far
I mean
away or near or the next one?
uh, not near,
Yeah, so
far.
it's like an opening book, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna draw this one
But
like that.
a book is straight.
Yeah, it's like not an opening book to the end of it, okay? It's the opening book just a little bit, okay? Not all the end, okay? So we have here this one, and don't forget to label the point F and H, because you need to get a big space between the two rays here, as you see here, right? So that's an obtuse angle. Okay, write this
you
or draw this, and then we're gonna move to the next page. Hurry up, please. Okay, let's move to the next page. Okay, in this page, we're gonna classify triangles by angles. Okay, so let's classify this 3 triangles. Okay, as we learned before, obtuse triangle has one obtuse angle. So we have here 2 acute and 1 obtuse. If you have, if the angle, if triangle has only 1 obtuse angle, so it's an obtuse triangle. Okay, the next type of triangle by their angle is right triangle, and right triangle here is, it has 1 right angle. So as you see here, we have acute and acute, so we have 2 acutes and 1 right angle. And the third one is 3 acute angles, which is acute triangle. And as you see here, we have the 3 angles are acute. So it's an acute triangle. Okay, now I need someone to help here. Name the triangle. Tell whether each angle is acute, right, or obtuse. A name for the triangle is, okay, let me ask Hussein Al-Awad.
the power of math. Okay. It is
Yeah,
triangle.
I need the name. No, I need the name of the triangle here. The name of the triangle. What is the name of this triangle?
Is I think acute triangle
I'm
XYZ.
asking for the name, not the type. If I ask about the name, so give me 3 letters. That's the name of triangle. Okay, so if I ask you for your name, Hussein, if I ask you for your name, so do you think that the answer will be male?
No.
So what is the answer if I ask you about your name?
It will be Hussein Al-Awad.
Yeah, excellent. But if I ask you about your kind or your type, so you will tell me I am a male, right?
Yes.
So I'm asking for the name of the triangle, not the type of the triangle. The name of the triangle, so you have to mention the 3 letters of it. If I ask about the kind or the type of the triangle, so you will tell me acute or obtuse or right, okay? So what is the name of the triangle here?
The name is XYZ.
Yeah, X,
No.
Y, D. So that's the name of the triangle here. Okay, thank you so much, Hussein, the power of math. Okay, what about Hussein Al-Ahmad, the other Hussein?
Yeah.
Okay, what about angle X is what? So is it right or acute or obtuse?
It's acute.
It's acute, excellent. Thank you, Hussein. Okay, what about the shawarma of math?
The Y, it's a right angle.
What?
The Y is Right.
That's a right angle. The right angle means a square corner. Is it a square corner here? Come on. That's a square corner?
Yeah, okay, obtuse, yeah.
It's obvious. Yeah. Thank you so much, Shawarma.
And
Wait for your turn. Okay, I'll ask another one. What about Hassan Mugazil? Hassan, are you there? Okay, what about?
sure.
Yes, Hassan. So, Hassan, can you tell me what the type of angle Z here?
Number 2.
You are not with us, right? You are not following us. Hassan, stay focused. It's an important session. It's a revision session, okay?
Number Z is an accurate.
Yeah, it's an acute. So let's write here acute. Thank you, Hussein. Or thank you, Hassan Mugazil. Okay. The other Hassan Muayyid.
Yes, teacher.
Hassan, classify each triangle, right, acute, right, or obtuse. Okay, so what about number 2? Is it acute triangle, obtuse, or right? What?
Right.
Yeah, great. It's right triangle. Thank you so much, man. Okay. What about Faisal Hamoud? Number 3.
Okay. Number 3 is first we have first thing at the top we have a right angle, and at the bottom and the right side you have a acute angle. I mean at the top is a acute angle, and at the left side at the bottom is a acute angle. So that means this is an acute triangle.
Yeah, excellent. Your explanation is more than perfect, man. Thank you. Okay, what about Yazan? Number 4.
Yes.
Yes, Yazan, number 4. What is the type of this triangle according to
This
its angle?
according on it is angle acute.
Why?
Because it's all accurate.
Okay, let me think about it. This is acute, right?
Yes. This is accurate.
Okay, what about this?
And this is accurate.
Okay, what about this?
No, this is obtuse.
Yes, so
Obtuse.
yeah, it's an obtuse triangle. Take care, man, okay?
Okay.
Okay, guys, write this and then we're gonna move to the next page. Thank you, Yazan. Okay, the third one. Who can answer me with it? Okay, I think Al-Qarrar can help.
Yes.
Al-Qarrar, as we all know, we have these three relationships between two lines, okay? We have parallel lines, right? And intersecting
Yes.
lines and perpendicular lines. And we all know parallel means it never intersects each other like that. And that's the sign of the parallel, right? And
Yes.
intersecting line, it intersects each other like X here, okay? But it's not perpendicular to each other, okay? And perpendicular lines, it's two lines intersect in one point, but it's a special way or a special case of intersection because it form plus sign, form a square corner, or form T shape, square corner, or L shape, a square corner. So all, if we have two lines formed with each other, a square corner, so they are perpendicular, okay? So
Okay.
based on these facts, let's see these examples. So use the figure for question 1 to 3, okay? So find two sides that appear to be parallel. So can you give me two sides that appear to be parallel here?
RS and VR.
Okay, RS, right?
Yes.
And VR,
Yes.
I'm asking for parallel. Pay attention here. I'm asking for parallel. Is this parallel? Parallel
No.
means never intersect.
R.
Name two sides that never intersect each other. Parallel, like the equality sign. Never intersect like that. That's the meaning of parallel. Okay, القرار.
VS and RT.
What?
VS and RT.
There is no such a line like that. There is no VS and RT. It's not matching each other. There is no line here called VS. Okay, what about this, Karar? What about this? These two lines. Is it parallel to each other?
Yes.
So it never intersect, right?
Yes.
So can you name these two lines?
VR and TS.
Yeah, VR and
TS.
TS. That's it. Thank you so much, Karar. Great job, man. Okay. What about Rakan Alaa?
Yes.
Rakan, the next one. Name two sides that appear to be perpendicular. So we need two
RS
lines
and
that appear to be perpendicular. Makes a square corner. Yes.
RS and TS.
R, S, and T, S. Excellent. Okay, thank you so much, man. Okay, what about Ali Nabil Miseri?
Yes.
Name two sides that appear to be intersecting but not perpendicular.
RT
Okay.
and VS.
Okay, wait a minute. There is no such thing like that. There is no lines here, R, T, and VS. It's not here, okay? It's not matched to each other, okay? So you need to write a straight or a two lines intersect each other. Just intersect each other, but not making a square corner. Okay, what about this? TV and VR. Okay, they are intersecting V, right? It has a common
Yeah.
point. That's our common point, right? They are intersecting. They are intersecting,
Yes.
right? On
Yeah,
one
yeah.
point.
Yes.
But it's not perpendicular because he asked you to write not perpendicular here, okay? So if he didn't tell you not perpendicular, so you can tell me any two lines intersect each other, even if it will be perpendicular, it's okay. But he asked you to write or mention two sides not perpendicular, okay?
Okay.
So it will be TV and VR. Okay, write this guide and then we're gonna move to the next page. Hurry up. Okay. Now in this page, as we learned before about quadrilateral, let's classify quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals, for any four sides and four angles, it's called quadrilateral. Trapezoid, at least one pair of parallel sides. Parallelogram, two pairs of parallel sides. Rectangle, we have four right angles, two pairs of parallel sides. Rhombus, four sides are equal in length, and we have also two pairs of parallel sides. Square, four right angles, four sides are equal in length. Okay, so let's write some names for these figures. Okay, I need someone here. What about Hussein Kamal, I think. The zoomer of math. The zoomer, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, so what is the name of the first one?
The first one is quadrilateral.
Okay, so that's the first thing because it has four sides, so that's the first thing, quadrilateral. Okay, can you give me another name for it? Do we have two pairs of parallel lines?
No.
Do we have one pair of parallel lines?
No.
Okay, what about this? This pair?
Yes, yes.
So
It
we have
does
one pair of parallel lines, right? So we can
Yes.
say this is a,
It's just like the trapezoid.
yeah, this is a trapezoid. Yeah. So that's it. That's the two possible names for it, okay?
So
Okay.
it looks like because it's not a full trapezoid. I mean, like it's it's a trapezoid, but they're different lines. They don't.
Yeah, it's okay. If you have different lines, it's okay, but you have to get one pair of parallel lines. Thank you so much, man. Okay. What about Muhammad Falah? Muhammad Falah, are you there? Okay, Hussein Al Ahmed.
It can be a parallelogram and a quadrilateral and a square.
Yeah, so it's quadrilateral.
Parallelogram and a parallelogram
And parallelogram.
And it can be a square too.
Yeah, it's a square. Excellent. Thank you so much, Hussein Al Ahmed. Okay, what about my lord, the lord of math?
Yes.
Okay, what about the next one?
The next one is a quadrilateral.
Yeah, quadrilateral. Yes,
And a parallelogram.
and parallelogram. Is there any something else?
Yes.
Yeah,
A rectangle.
it's a rectangle. Do we have any right angles here? Any square corners?
No.
So that's it. Quadrilateral or parallelogram. Okay, guys, write this and then we're gonna move to the next page. Thank you so much, my lord. Okay, the last lesson here is tell if the line appears to be a line of symmetry, right? Yes or no? Okay, so let me ask Faisal Hamoud.
Yes, teacher.
What about the first one? Is it a line of
First one
symmetry or
is
not?
no.
No. Okay, thank you. What about Professor
Teacher.
Hussein?
The second one, yes.
Yes. What about Muhammad al-Baqshi?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Okay. And the last one, the shawarma. Fahd, where are you going? Fahd, where have you been, man?
Here, teacher.
Okay. So, what about number 4? Is it a line of symmetry or not?
Of course, no, teacher.
Yeah, great. Okay, guys, that's our revision. Don't forget to check the revision of chapter 9 and chapter 10 on Think Central, and you have to work hard for exam today. Good luck for your exam. Bye, everyone.
Bye.